Welcome to this tutorial for how to build an interactive dashboard in Google Sheets. This tutorial is the third of 5 tutorial videos. Open the Google Sheets workbook you saved in Section 2. Double-click the New Sheet tab and rename it 2021 Calculations. Navigate to the datasheet. Click Data in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Pivot Table. In the Create Pivot Table dialog box, click Existing Sheet, then type 2021 Calculations A1. Finally, click Create. In the Pivot Table Editor, click Add next to Rows. Click Customer Location in the drop-down menu. Deselect the Show Totals box. In the Pivot Table Editor, click Add next to Values. Click Sales Revenue in the drop-down menu. Click the down arrow under Summarize By. In the drop-down menu, click Sum. Next, we will filter the pivot table to show only sales revenue from 2021. In the Pivot Table Editor, click Add next to Filters. In the drop-down menu, click Period Ending Date. Then, click the down arrow next to Showing All Items. A filter box will open. Click Clear. Then select the 4 2021 dates. You will need to scroll down to select them all. Click OK. Click in cell A1 and hit Ctrl-C or Command-C for Mac users to make a copy of the pivot table. Next, click in cell A18 and hit Ctrl-V or Command-V for Mac users to paste. Click anywhere in the second pivot table. In the Pivot Table Editor, click the X next to Customer Location to remove it from the pivot table. In the Pivot Table Editor, click Add next to Rows. In the drop-down menu, click Division. Deselect the Show Totals box. Select the sales revenue amounts in the first pivot table in column B. Then, click Format in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Number. In the next drop-down menu, click on the custom format that you created in Section 1. Now we will repeat the number formatting for the second pivot table. Select the sales revenue amounts in the second pivot table in column B. Then, click Format in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Number. In the next drop-down menu, click on the custom format you created in Section 1. Next, we will create charts for these two pivot tables. Click in the first pivot table. Click Insert in the ribbon. In the drop-down menu, click Chart. Repeat for the second pivot table so you have 2 charts. Click in the first pivot chart. In the Chart Editor, click Chart Type. In the drop-down menu, click Column Chart. Repeat for the second pivot table so you have 2 column charts. To make the chart less busy and easier to read, double-click the X and Y axis labels and hit Delete to remove them. Double-click the chart titles and change them to 2021 sales in each customer location and 2021 sales in each division. In the Chart Editor, click B to bold the titles and use the drop-down menu under Title Text Color to change it to black. Double-click one of the columns in the first chart. In the Chart Editor, select the Data Labels box. Then, click B to bold the labels and use the text color drop-down menu to change the color to black. We are now done with this third of 5 tutorial videos. Save your work. You will be starting at this point in the next video. This video was created and narrated by Dr. Sell-Tietz. Have a great day.